Lex, you haven't been here in a while. We've been having a new thing happen, and I think it's happening to you. Um, we've been having higher self readings. We've had quite a few of them now, and I know it's happening because when I go to get a spirit for you, there's nobody there. And then I start being pulled up higher and higher and higher. And then all of a sudden, I'm like with you, basically, but a different version of yourself. So I feel like that's where we're headed. And I hope you're okay with that because that's where we're going. Your higher self is very friendly. And she also is decorated with things, which is weird. There's beads on strings, but not like a necklace and not like an earring. Beaded strings and shells. They're like hanging all around her. And when they hit each other, they make little twinkling, tinging noises. She said the sound is important. Just something we've been talking about a lot lately here. Sound. The sound is important. This is also part of your message. Okay. Sound is important. Speaking is important. Saying things out loud is important. But saying positive things out loud is important. This is definitely a team getting called out here, Lex. I hope you're okay with that. Quit saying negative things about yourself. Start saying positive things about yourself out loud. Because sound is important. The more you say it, the more you feel it, the more it becomes true. I feel like this is all about like manifesting. The law of attraction. How do you manifest the things that you want? You have to only speak in positive terms. I don't think I need to go into all of the things you've been saying negatively about yourself, although I feel like she's showing them to me. It's time to flip the script. Say the positive out loud. Even if you don't feel it at the time, even if you don't feel that way at the moment, say it out loud. That was lovely. She's lovely. She's like mystical, like magical and mystical. I was thinking speaking into existence. Yes, 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 yes. Sound is important. Say it out loud. The positive, exclamation point, underline it. I like these higher self ones. It's like getting a tarot card reading without having to use the tarot cards. It's like, what do you need to hear today? Straight from your own self.